Hi guys, great good evening. I think I'm audible enough because I have a very bad weather condition here. It's a little bit of thundering and raining, so spare with my mics. So I hope I'm audible enough. So let's start this great evening, folks. Let me really say it's a wonderful experience to host an event that's especially on a digital platform because I have never done this before. Anyway, thanks to COVID, there's some perks of in a COVID generation. So, guys, my name is Ajay, and I will be your MC today, and also for the chill after the intellectual seminar talks that we had now. So I hope that I am audible enough. I'm assuring it again and again because I will be the uh, channelizer of this event, so I don't want to be on a mute time. So, okay, yes. So, like I said, after the great seminar, we will be having some chill time because we will give your brain a chill time for sometimes because after so many talks, your brain gets very heated and all. So this is for sure a chill time for us, and we have some incredible talent from all over India that we have picked up from our registrations. So before I start the event, I just tell you the rules. There are many rules, but some rules. The participants will get a 120 seconds of performance. Then the judges will be evaluating him or her. And for the audience,
We can't hear you.
now.
Yeah, we can now.
Okay. So this time it was live. It's fine now. Fine.
Yep, everything is fine. You can continue.
Okay. So we'll have a performance of 180 seconds. Then our judges will be evaluating. By the time, as a great audience, you will have what we say a great advantage of polling the contestants. So we will be definitely sure that you will be giving a right amount or the right evaluation to the contestants. And also, so that's the rules, guys. And then all the things will be happening when we start to hear the first what we say the musical prodigy of India. So then for evaluating these guys, we need someone very expert on this platform. So we have someone who has participated in a well-renowned show. It's Idea Star Singer, and he's a background singer in so many movies. And he has a beautiful band. He's a lead singer of a beautiful band, and they are damn good, damn awesome. The name is Shadow Trail. Definitely go check out on the YouTube, Instagram. So they're definitely good. So uh, let's welcome our super talented judge, Mr. Nitin Lal. So he's isn't there. Okay, fine. So he's ready with the books and pens. So the contestants, just be ready. Just be cautious. Off to you, Nitin.
Great to be here. Great to be here. All the best to all the participants. And it's such a pleasure to see this kind of a platform. And we've been like in touch with all these people and the one who actually organizing this event called Shafiq. So I personally thank him. And trust me, guys, this is a great platform and it's a lot of knowledge and it's a lot of fun as well. So this time it's going to be in a different way. So have fun and all the best. Just sing your heart out. That's all I could say. Yeah.
Okay, so that was a really good tip. So I think all the contestants are really ready for this, and let me also recall this is a wonderful platform, as he said, because we haven't done something like this anytime before, especially me. So let's call the Nirvana of the Millennial is open, and let's bring the first contestant. Is he ready? Yeah, obviously he's ready because I saw him practicing backstage. Is he ready? Yeah, Mr. Aditya Aman.
Yes, I'm here.
So Okay, fine. So Aditya Aman is ready. You are doing a final year engineering student in Bangalore. I'm very proud of you, bro. We are same, what we say, same club of engineering students. So I'm really happy to introduce an engineering student. So you're from Bangalore, right?
Yep. Actually, I'm from
Yeah.
Kerala, but here in Bangalore.
Oh, you're from Calicut. Yeah, Calicut, but you're studying.
In
Okay,
Bangalore.
okay. So you started. I knew that you started with the guitar. Now you are following the passion of singing.
Yeah.
So cool, very cool, very cool. You mix music as well, right?
Yeah,
So
I've done it for some ads and stuff, startups, and that's on mainly on electronic level, but not into recording and stuff yet.
oh man, we have a professional here. Oh man. So this is really going to be enjoying. So all the best, Aditya. Off to you. Have a blast. You're gonna rock.
Yeah. Just first, let me just, if this is audible to you guys, just. Was this audible?
You are Aditya. You are. You are.
Yeah. Okay. Then let's start. तू इजाजत दे अगर तुझसे थोड़ा प्यार मैं कर लूं जाने जा बैठ मेरे सामने खाली दिल खाली नजर भर लूं जाने जा तू खफा हो जाए तू जुदा हो जाए दिन तेरे आंचल में ढल जाए हाँ दिन तेरे आंचल में ढल जाए ये ज़मीं रुक जाए आसमां झुक जाए तेरा चेहरा जब नजर आए हाँ तेरा चेहरा जब नजर आए That was it. I guess I've made it to the 2-minute bar, I guess. Hello? You guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, it was really.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, it was a really a great start, man. Really, it's a nice song. We felt the nostalgia, really. So, so that was Aditya Aman. Thank you, bro. It was a really good one. Next, we have Shreya Guntakal. Is she ready?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. First of all, I'm really sorry for the pronunciation. Is it right, Shreya Guntakal?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you. So, because I don't want to get it wrong on public platform, that's why. So you're final year student as well, engineering, and from Bangalore.
Yes.
Yeah. So in your portfolio, I just saw you started studying music from second grade.
Yeah, I did.
So really, man, really, man. Because if I remember, when I was second grade, I was searching for Pikachu and Cheetos, and you were studying music from second grade. It's totally very, very cool. And it's that you have very passionate about Carnatic music. You studied Carnatic music for these long years. How many years?
Wait, Carnatic, I just studied till probably 8th or 9th, and then I got my degree in Carnatic junior level, and then I've been into West
Oh,
as well. Hello?
okay. So yeah, edible. You got a glitch, but it's edible now. So we'll be starting with Shreya Guntakal. We wish you all the best, and as I said, you're gonna rock. So off to you.
Just to just tell me if you could hear this. Is this audible?
Yeah.
And even when I'm speaking, is it heard in the background?
Not really. Not. Yeah.
Not okay.
Is it a
Okay.
track? Is there a track or something you're playing?
Yeah, it's a karaoke track on my phone.
Play it a little more louder.
How about this? Hello?
Mm, forward the track a little.
Okay, just a minute.
Not yet.
And now?
I think you need to increase the volume of the track maybe a little more. Guys, it's stuck here. Not sure what's happening. I'm sorry. If it's
I'll just call her and see what's happening.
yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a small technical glitch in that. Yeah, this so happened because you are always on the internet, and always internet is not right. You should everything on the internet is not right, and you should know that. And
Yeah, she's
sometimes
back.
internet also go right. So now I think she's back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
That's okay.
Okay, is this heard now?
Can you
Hello?
can you hum with that?
Night falls, and you're not here to get me through. Was that heard?
Yeah.
Was that fine?
Yes, you can start from the beginning.
Okay. Going under with this time I feel there's no one to turn to. Soul or nothing love me, got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have. Just know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall. I let my guard down. I was getting kind of used to being someone you love. And I try to close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms. Let me safe and sound till I come back around. Now the day bleeds. You're not here to get me through. I let my guard down, now you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Into nightfall, saying I'm here to get me through it all. I let my guard down. That was it.
Okay. So I think there was a small technical glitch, but it was fine. Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Shreya, it was a really what we say. We got a Hindi touch, Indian touch, and then we got a Western touch. So we're covering all part of the world right now. So thank you so much. It was really wonderful. Now I think the audience are really using the polls, and you are giving your marks, your expert advice marks, because maybe on the Corona time, the one thing we are definitely not gonna miss is music, and we are really following it on the YouTube, Amazon Prime, etc., etc. So give the polls, guys. So next we have Ashwin R. So he is also an engineering student. I'm really happy. Is Ashwin there? Ashwin, are you ready?
Yeah, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are.
Thank you. Should I start? Hello.
I think you
Hello.
can start, Ashwin. No problem.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Is my music audible? Is it audible?
Yeah.
आवारगी में बन गया दीवाना, मैंने क्यों सादगी को नहीं जाना। आवारगी में बन गया दीवाना, मैंने क्यों सादगी को नहीं जाना। चाहत यही है कि इस कदर प्यार दूं, कदमों में तेरे मैं दो जहां वार दूं। चैन मेरा ले लो, खुशी मेरी ले लो, दे दो मुझे, दे दो सारे गम। दिल दे दिया है, जान तुम्हें देंगे, दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम। हो रब की कसम यारा, रब दी कसम, दिल दे दिया है, जान तुम्हें देंगे, दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम। दिल दे दिया है, जान तुम्हें देंगे, दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम। Thank you. That was it.
Super.
Okay, man. दिल तो लेने के बाद मेरे को नहीं पता, मगर दिल तो आपने लूट लिया है। बहुत सही गाना था. I'm sorry for the Hindi, but it
Thank
actually
you so much.
came out. So I think you had a breakup. Sorry for asking the public platform, because you have what we say, we is on the movie, no, दर्द चाहिए गाने गाने के लिए. So you had that pain and that feel, because it was so amazing. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. So I think in between I just went, because obviously I said it's thundering here and there. So there's a small technical glitch. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashwin. Now
Thank
we
you.
head on to our next participant, and she's what do we say? She's a JNU prodigy. We all might be hearing this famous college from Delhi, JNU. So is Shivani Baranwal. If I'm right, the pronunciation Shivani Baranwal.
Yeah,
Shivani?
it's Shivani Baranwal. Yeah, you're right.
Sorry, Shivani Baranwal. Okay,
Yeah,
so we are
good
from
evening, everyone.
JNU.
Very good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, man. I think she's a performer, and in her bio it was written she's the head of a music club as well. So she might be knowing all the decorum and all the manners of what we have to get when you get into stage. That's what we just saw, that she greeted everyone. So Shivani, is your video on?
Yeah, my video is on. I guess I'm
Okay.
visible to everyone.
Yeah, now.
Okay, so it's raining here. I hope my audio is clearly audible.
Yeah, it's audible. It's kind of audible. So if we have any technical glitch, we will let you know. But
Yeah, okay.
for now, I think you are perfectly fine. So I'll be giving you the mic. All the best, and you're gonna rock as usual. Like all like you said, your all the performance on the college, etc., etc. So all the best. Off to you.
Thank you. So, a very good evening to all of you. So, the song which I'm going to sing now is a very famous song by Lata Mangeshkar. The title of the song is Lag Ja Gale. So, here it goes. लग जा गले की फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले थैंक यू
Oh, it was really wonderful. Like I would like to say something that though people call us millennials and also we are from this generation, etc., etc., but I don't think there is a day without a Lata Mangeshkar song. If I'm not wrong, because it's a kind of a very soulful thing, and also we just got our Eid, so
I'm
it's a
sure that
wonderful
there
song.
is a lot of people from different states, but this particular Hindi old song is very famous. So I think that most of them must be aware of this song. So this is my, one of the favorite songs.
Yeah,
So
it's
thank you to
definitely our.
YCC to let me, perform this here.
Yeah, definitely. Because if not YCC, this might be my PUBG time. So, so a great, what we say, a great song and soulful music we had now. So, like Shivani said, we are all from across the states, but for surprise, we have someone from out of India. So, thank you so much, Shivani. Thank you for your soulful music. We will head on to next person. So, like I said, from across the globe, from the कहते हैं सात समुंदर पार. So we have someone from there, and that is Mr. Raghunathan Gopalan. Is he available? Is he ready?
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Am I audible for you?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, you are audible. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So, so bro, tell me you are from. I know you are from where. So you just give a quick introduction because, like I said, now you are from a different country altogether right now.
Yeah, I'm basically a master's student from Arizona State University. I am based in Chennai. My mother tongue is Tamil. I've been learning music since, like Carnatic music and singing since I was in first grade or something until about 12th grade. And then after that, I had to shift cities and all. So yeah, after that, I've been like learning, self-learning from YouTube and stuff. I do know a few instruments, but I'll only be singing today.
Okay, so just for the audience, you might be knowing him. His face might be very what we say. He's very what we say. We have seen him somewhere. ये कहाँ देखा है यार इसको कहीं तो देखा है. So he has participated in a lot of reality shows and he has come in TVs, right?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
participated in a show called Chant India, conducted by Sri Shankara TV.
Okay, so that will we have a professional singer as well. So off to you. All the best, bro. Like I said to all the people, you're gonna rock.
Thank you so much. So I'll be singing a song called Rasali from the Tamil movie called Acham Enbadu Madamer. எட்டு திசை முட்டும் என பகலினில் கொட்டும் பனி மட்டும் துணை இரவினில் நெட்டும் ஒரு பட்டு குரல் மனதினில் மடிவேனோ முன்னில் ஒரு காற்றின் களிமுகத்தினில் பின்னில் திருபச்சை கிளை முதுகில் வாழ்வில் ஒரு பயணம் இது முடித்திட விடுவேனோ எட்டு திசை முட்டும் என பகலினில் கொட்டும் பனி மட்டும் துணை இரவினில் நெட்டும் ஒரு பட்டு குரல் மனதினில் மடிவேனோ முன்னில் ஒரு காற்றின் களிமுகத்தில் பெண்ணில் திருபச்சை கிளை முதுகினில் வாழ்வில் ஒரு பயணம் முடித்திட விடுவேன் ராசாலி பந்தயமா பந்தயமா நீ முந்தியா நான் முந்தியா பார்ப்போம் பார்ப்போம் யார் சொல்வது அன்பை முதலில் யார் ஏவது மௌனம் பேசாமலே செல்ல வாவி நீரில் கமலம் போலாடி வெல்ல கனவுகள் அருகே கண்ணின் வெளியே வா குளிர் காய்கின்றது என் தோல் மீது நீ வா குளிர் காய்கின்றது குளிர் காய்கின்றது. Thank you. That was it.
Oh, really nice, man. Really nice. Thank you so much for coming because we know that it's a different time zone there. So
Yeah, but I actually wanted to participate. Actually, thank you for the opportunity. I mean, it is kind of boring in the lockdown and everything. So yeah, this is a good diversion.
okay, that really shows how passionate you are for singing, and it was really you are a wonderful singer. So thank you so much. Thank you, Raku. So now we will be heading to our next participant. She is doing a very interesting course right now. So can I have Andrila Pal? Is she ready, Andrila? I think she is preparing too much because you need to be that professional all the time, and you have to prepare so much and get into that. You have to feel that song, and then you have to sing. So, Andrila, it's enough. You are professional enough. We know that, and you have a definitely great singing talent. Are you ready?
Andrila, you're not audible as of now. Could you just check your mic, please?
So meanwhile, I thought when Andrila will come, I'll just introduce. So she is doing a BA in Japanese. So that's really interesting. And also she's from JNU as well. She's an all-rounder altogether. She knows how to play the piano and something called tin whistle. And also she knows guitar and so much of stuff. And not only that, she is a music producer as well. She is, to be specific, she is doing digital production. So that's what we say, an all-rounder of the music industry. So Andrila, I'm really waiting when Andrila will come so that we can have a few words on Japanese. Andrila, so I think studying Japanese is really cool because it's very tough.
Andrila, still your audio is not audible. Could you just check your mic, please? Still not audible. I can see you though.
This climate now, so basically it's raining all over India. So technologically, it's very hard to find the internet. I'm also finding that glitch because sometimes the internet goes off and audios are not we are not able to hear and see anyone so properly. So this is the small issue we have. But I think what we say during this lockdown, this is kind of a small weight that we can have for the soulful singing that we are gonna what we say as an audience. Obviously, we'll having that patience to actually wait for sometimes. Yeah, so that can be what we can give that leverage to it. So I think Ondula's there's a some major technical glitch. So no problem. She will be back. No worries. Ondala fans, she will be back. So we can move to the next person. And that is Mr. Ashwin Mohan. So I'm really finding it very interesting. See, the whole participants are from Bangalore. So can we name Bangalore as the next, what we say, cultural capital of India? Everyone is from Bangalore, 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 Bangalore. And also he's an engineering student as well. So he's what we say, he is a blend of playing guitar and singing. We have Ashwin here. Do we have? Hello, Ashwin.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. So, bro, tell me why everyone is from Bangalore. I just want. It's very curious because everyone that I have, almost 80% of people are from Bangalore. Is that the whole talent of the India is like concentrated on Bangalore right now?
There's actually a lot of talent in Bangalore which is not explored. You will find a lot of talent in Bangalore. Like it's like an all-round city. You have everything in Bangalore, from IT to
Oh,
cultural. We have everything.
oh man, this Bangalore is always very interesting, and it's like points are being added to Bangalore every time. Now we have something more interesting that we have a bunch of talents in Bangalore as well. So the new what we say. I thought the Bangalore is full of techies, and they will talk about Facebook, they'll talk about Google, Uber. So no, I'm wrong. Bangalore is full of talents as well because we are witnessing that right now. So, Ashwin Mohan, all the best. We wish you uh, that we are sure that you're gonna rock. So this is we are giving the mic off to you. So you are audible enough. You had your check enough. So this is off to you. All the best.
My guitar is audible. Can you hear this?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Then I'll start. I'll be singing Ma from the movie Tare Zameen Par. So here it is. मैं कभी बदलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता। मेरी माँ जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जो जोर से झूला झूलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं यही तू आके थामेगी माँ। तुमसे मैं ये कहता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ। चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, Thank you. That was it.
Okay, man. That was really,
Shubhu,
really
can you let underline? Yeah, she's here.
okay. On live there. Okay. So Ashwin, man, really, this is what we say. आँखों में पानी आ गया यार. See, this is very special song because whenever we hear this song, it always brings out all memories and all the what we say hard work and all the love that our moms have given to us. So if any moms are watching this, we would like to say that thank you so much because you are the one that made us. Like you are the one because of that we are here. So thank you so much to all the moms right out there. So we'll go to the next person. We're gonna go to the next participant, the BA Japanese student from JNU. Andrila, are you there?
Hi, can you see me?
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, fine. After every technical glitch, it's fine. Like we say, all the universe has brought together for that we can see your performance. So before we start, just one thing, Andrila, it's really cool that someone like because I don't find everyone studying BA Japanese near me. So it's very cool. Can you say a word or something just for the audience and also for me in Japanese?
私はアンジェラと申します。はじめまして。よろしくお願いします。これからも
Okay, wonderful. I didn't understand a word, but it's very good. That's something that we say in Japanese. Even if we swear in Japanese, it's very soulful. It's like a melody that someone is giving a gali galos in Japanese, and it's like, thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So that is something very good about Japanese. As you said, you're also a what we say master in Japanese. You're also a master in music as well. So we will wish you all the best. You're gonna rock, because we knew that you were there practicing, going off the track because we knew that you want to get it very perfect. So you were getting out of the screen and practicing so much. So we caught you, but it's okay. It's okay. We have waited for you. Now we have we have the patience to listen to you. So off to you, man. Off to you. All the best, and you're gonna rock.
Thank you. Okay then. Sound test. Audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so that was something really. We actually waited for something really good. Okay, even though you were going, but it's a really what we say. It was a really pleasant song. So thank you, Andrila. Thank you so much. Like your Japanese, your singing was also too good. And also, I'm not expert for this, but we have an expert here, Mr. Nidin Lal. So, so we will just call Mr. Nidin and we'll ask him his expert advice on the all the wonderful performance that we have seen. And also, we'll requesting a little bit also too much. Yeah, that we know. All the judges have to pay that much. So, do we have Nidin?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, Nitin. So how was like we had a bunch of talents. So what's your remark on this? Like would say beautiful stage and a beautiful platform that we are right now.
It was good. It was really good to see like talents coming up and people are with all this whatever pandemic going on. We still stand strong with their passion. Music always gives us the right spirit and the right kind of positive energies and all of that. It was really good. It was such a great pleasure to see you all singing and all of that. So you have all put in the right efforts. Yes, definitely we'll have these kind of digital technical issues and all of that, but it's all about the feel. Yeah, it's not about we're not here to judge you guys or anything. Music always. I used to believe like we Shadow Trail all of my friends in band. We all work in different firms and all of that. But then we try the best to pursue our passion as well. Okay. So it's always been like that. So music is always about happiness and the way you want to pursue your life and all of that. So just keep going on. You might have falls and all of that. You might feel sometimes down. I'm not able to do anything in music and all of that. It's all about happiness. Just sing for yourself. So that's when the real happiness arises and all of that. Yeah, that's what I could say to you guys. Keep up the spirit. Just keep practicing. Keep listening to more music. So that it's a learning process. It never ends, right? So yeah, that's what I could say here. And about the performances, it was all good. It was all really good. You guys are really talented. Keep up the spirit and keep practicing. And about this platform, I would say you guys are really lucky to participate, to be one of the participants here and all of that. And I could see a lot of people from different states and countries as well. So that's a great sign, and nothing can stop us from evolving, right? Yeah. So great. Thank you so much for calling me here, and it's great pleasure to see you all participating and singing, and I'm so like fortunate enough to watch you guys also singing. So thank you
Okay,
so much.
Nitin. So
Yeah,
no, don't stop. We will have you. We'll have a little torture on you. Obviously, it's not a torture because what we say, like you said, music is happiness. Whatever happening is, whatever things, all the corona and COVID things are happening around us, but we are still what we say, standing very firmly, and what say, nobody is like we are all always having a hope that everything will come to a better world now, a new world, and definitely with the help of music. Every person in this world is definitely fighting this with music. So we'll have a small request for you, that you know what that request will be. Obviously a musicians always a request is a few lines, a few soulful lines, especially if you have if you give that your Shadow Trail song, that Yatra, if you could do that, then that will be best. So this is my request, personal request. It's a fanboy moment, but still, it's your call to do anything. So up to
definitely.
you.
Okay, talking about my band, maybe I don't think like everyone knows about the band. All of it. So we have the band called Shadow Trail, Nidal Vazhi in Malayalam, basically. So it's a multilingual progressive rock band based in Bangalore. So we all do other works also. Like we all work in different corporates and all of that, but then we do music as well. Music is one of the serious passion which we can't just leave it like that or anything. Whatever MBAs we have done, whatever financial liabilities or commitments we have, still music is something which will keep us moving ahead and ahead, which is a strong caution. So yeah, so we have a couple of originals. You can watch our songs on YouTube. Just type Shadow Trail, you could see the videos. So we do original music. mainly. Live and all, we do covers as well. So like I can sing one of the songs called maybe I'll give it a try. I don't have my teammates here anyways. But this is called Shadow Play, which is called Nidal Koothar. So it talks about life and how bad sometimes it is, and how you are going to come out of it. You might face a lot of issues, be it with your personal life, be it in your professional life and all of that, but you are here to win. You are here to like survive to a better tomorrow. Yeah. So Shadow Play, I'm going to sing like a couple of lines of it. This is in Tamil, okay? Tamil language. என்னுள்ளம் என்னோடு கேட்கின்ற வார்த்தைகள் புரியாத கீதங்களே, என் நெஞ்சம் என்னோடு சொல்கின்ற பாதைகள் புரியாமல் நிற்கின்றனே, தூங்காத நேரங்கள் தான் போடும் கோலங்கள் புரியாத வேதங்களே, தூங்காத நேரங்கள் தான் போடும் கோலங்கள் புரியாத வேதங்களே, என்னுள்ளம் என்னோடு கேட்கின்ற வார்த்தைகள் புரியாத கீதங்களே, என் நெஞ்சம் என்னோடு சொல்கின்ற பாதைகள் புரியாமல் நிற்கின்றனே. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so that was really a fanboy moment, because I have listened to your music in YouTube. So this is like more deep into the fanship. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the wonderful song. And so we are what we say. We are on the after the all the wonderful performances that we have seen. Some technical glitch that what we say it's a part of the show. So that we have done, and after this mind-blowing performance we also have the poll. That's very important, and we also have the expert advice marks. So we will do one thing. We will calculate and evaluate all the performance, and we'll let know the contestants and the audience who are to the next round. So maybe unfortunately this is the end of today's show, guys. So I think we are definite that we enjoyed the show, because what we say, it's a great platform, and like we said, we are all fighting it together, and something on the midst of that we are doing this, and like it's like, and also I would like to say Nitin is a marketing head in Nexus, right?
Lexus.
Nexus. Oh, sorry. So he's a marketing genius as well, and also a musician. So thank you, Nitin. Thank you so much for coming here today, and also sharing your experiences, and also having what we say, evaluating the bunch of talents that we had today.
Whatever
so
I
thank
could,
you so much.
I think I've done the justice to whatever I've done. But it's not about judging. Again, I'm repeating here. It's not about judging, or it's not about points or marks or anything. It's all about what your soul says, what your heart says. Keep doing it.
Yeah, I think because it's definitely because I don't think there is anyone who is like winner today, because all the people we have actually picked them from different registration, and also after evaluating their Instagram accounts and also the video they have posted, we took them from the registration. So I think that it's on, they are the winners of this. And also music is definitely a different altogether level of happiness, and also these guys are always the winners, because we say the music is something that what we say, God's great. Because I envy people, because they are so, how can they sing like this? Because I don't know. I'm really afraid to sing in bathroom also, because I think my parents will kick me out. So I think music is something very God's grace. So like we said, we don't have like we say winners of this performance, but as the procedures goes, we should scoot that some people to the next levels also. So don't get disheartened. You are all the winners, like Nitin said. So thank you so much, Nitin. So that's it, and thank you YCC for getting this platform. I think it's really wonderful, and nothing is possible without the great audience that we have today. And thank you for joining, and thank you for what we say, sparing your time and getting into the seminars, and also after that to getting into the music contest that we are today. So I think we had a wonderful experience, and altogether, this show will go on tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and it will be going on. So make sure you catch up. So this is Ajay, and I'm signing off. But we will meet soon. This is Youth Career Connect, and we will be catching you soon tomorrow. So this is thank you guys. And like I said, I only know one word from Japanese. That's like sayonara. So it's like bye guys. Have a great day. Have a great what we say, great musical experience. So this is the Nirvana of the Millennial Context ending here right now. We will have the following shows coming up. Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Bye.